Did you know that Canva allows you to draw? I like to use it to create gradient overlays. Let's select a video size today. This shape will allow you to see this feature used for a rectangular shape for pictures and video formatting. Your gradient will work best if they are colors that are similar. So I'm going to choose these blue-green colors. For this effect, we're going to draw a line and fill in part of the document with this one color. You will get a variation depending on where you draw your line. I'm going to pick the color right next to it so I can fill in the rest of the design. It doesn't matter how sloppy your coloring is, as long as you fill in all of the space with a color. Click Edit Image, go to Adjust, and See All. Here we will adjust the blur all the way up to 100 to give us our image effect. Let's do one more featuring custom colors with a horizontal gradient instead using the highlighter brush. I'm scrolling down here to get the Rosy Dew gradient trial combination that I put together, and we're going to select one brush and go all the way across with that color. You will see that it gives it a very unique color as you highlight over it each time. And now let's go down one hue level and swipe down, and we will continue in this manner. And next to last is this one. I really wanted all 5 of these, so I'm going to try to squeeze that last color there at the bottom. I decided to change brush sizes at this point, but we'll find out that that was a mistake. I go and move it back to 100 and swipe over the very bottom of it before selecting Done. Let's go to Edit Image, adjust See All, and move the blur to 100 just like before. You're going to notice this fluky boxes that popped up. That doesn't happen on the image that you download, so don't worry about it. These are examples of other gradients that I've done. Download this image. I got to choose the correct page number. Download. Here's an example of a video clip, first without the gradient and then with the custom gradient filter added. It's awesome, don't you think? If you want to know how I created that specific clip in Canva, you're going to want to check out this tutorial that's on your screen right now. If you can't click it, check the description for the link. If you like today's Canva tutorial and want to see more like it, hit that like button to let me know. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!